Question number 38 on the reading portion of College Board's Test 5. As used in line 86, scale most nearly means. So scale in this case is a vocab question. Identify the word in the passage, read around it for context, come up with your own definitions and associations of that word, what you would replace that word with before looking at the answers. Plug in the answer choice A, B, C, D into the sentence and make sure that the sentence still makes sense. It retains the original meaning with the original word in it. Will companies be able to boost their products by manipulating online ratings on a massive scale, on like a massive when you say like, oh, we're gonna increase our business and we're gonna, promote it on a massive scale, it means that it's just like everywhere. You grow the business, you grow the platform that it exists on. We're manipulating ratings on a massive scale. It means that you're manipulating comments and ratings all over the internet. The scale, right? The sheer size of it, but not physically in this case. It's hard to, the internet's not really real. It's like zeros and ones and electrons. But when you're talking about massive scale, it's almost like it's physical in that it's all, it's everywhere. It's all present, omnipresent. So on a massive scale, so let's look at these answer choices. On a massive level, I like that. Will it be able to boost ratings on a massive level, on like a massive this platform or this like understanding of space? Just like say like, oh, we're bringing it to the next level, right? Or like we want our product to be on the level of something else. It's not physically on any platform, but it's metaphorically in a way grander or bigger or larger. And I like that when we talk about on a massive level. Can they do it on a massive level across all spectrums of the internet, or on a massive scale, the scale of the internet on all levels? I like it. What about B? On a massive wage? No. On a massive wage, a wage is like how much money you get paid. That's one thing. On a massive wage, you could wage war, but again, that's a verb. On a massive wage, no. On a massive interval. The problem with the interval is it's too physical. Interval means like the interval from A to B. So in math, you see that a lot. The interval from 4 to 5. An interval is like a very precise amount of distance or time. So I'm not liking that because I don't understand how that fits in with the fact that the scale of the internet, on a large scale, to be able to create this. What about a scheme? A scheme is like almost like it's a bad connotation for a plan, or like some like nefarious scheme. It's like we're going to take the scheme of taking over the world. Well, even though this might be a scheme, you might think of this whole process of manipulating comments to be a scheme. Are they manipulating online ratings on a massive scheme? If you picked that, you got confused. You said that the entire thing was a scheme, but that's not what it's saying. It's not asking like, what do you think this sentence is talking about? Oh, it's a scheme. Can we say that things are manipulated on online ratings on a massive scheme? We talk about a massive scale or massive level, a massive amount of it. And it's not going to, even though it is a scheme, you can't say that you manipulate something on a massive scheme. On a massive scheme, it's idiomatically wrong. The answer is going to be A. It's on a massive level. It's on a massive scale. We're talking about just the sheer size of it, metaphorically. And I think A best captures that. So the answer, again, the number 38 is going to be A.